Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 4 of the Durga Puja series, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this look. So this is basically a smoky eye look with 2 lip options. I got so many requests from you guys to do a smoky eye with a red lip tutorial. So I thought let's give you guys 2 options so that you can wear it during the day as well as during the night. So yes, now let's begin. So I'm going to start with priming as usual, and today for our primer I'm going to use the Lotus Eco Stay Primer. For foundation today I'm basically going to mix 2 foundations and use. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. I'm going to mix them together and use. Now I'll be using a brush to apply it on my face. If you guys want to use a sponge, you guys can use a sponge, but yes, if you guys want more coverage, it's always better to use a brush because sponges mostly soak up a lot of product. So for a better coverage, it's always preferable to use a brush. For concealer today I'm going to go in with the ADS Ultimate Concealer palette, and I'm going to pick up a shade which is a little light for me, and I will be using it under my eyes to highlight the area and at the same time conceal the area. Next I'm going to set the area under my eye and around my mouth with the Color Essence Compact Powder. For eyebrows today I'm going to go in with the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and I will be using this to fill in my eyebrows. Now I really like this pencil because this is really smooth and this is quite easy to apply on your eyebrow, and it also comes with a brush which helps a lot to distribute the product. For my eyes next I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Nudes palette, and I'm going to select that brown shade and I will be putting it in my crease. So as usual I'm going to slowly build up the color, and I'm going to take my own time for this. Once I'm satisfied with the crease, I'm going to use a gel liner on my eyelid which is going to act as the base for our smoky eye, and here I'm using the black gel liner from Music Flower, and I will be applying this on my eyelid. Now I'm not going to apply it all the way till the crease, so I'm going to apply it half the way till the crease and make sure that you blend it out, and then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and apply it over the base. So I'm going to blend the brown with the black, and yes, this is a little time consuming, but make sure you do it because this is a really important step. I'm going to try and blend everything as much as possible because yes, blending is the key. Next I'm going to use my eyeliner to draw a thin line on my eyelid. Now I'm not going to go in with a very thick wing or anything of that sort because that is barely visible. If you want you can skip the liner part, but I think the liner actually defines the eye a little bit more. Now for the lower lash line I'm going to take that same black eyeshadow and I will be applying it in my lower lash line. For mascara I'm going to use the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, and I will be applying a coat of this on my upper and lower lashes, and yes, later I will be applying falsies off camera. Moving back to my face once again, I will be using the Maybelline Master Contour palette, and I will be using that contour shade to contour my face. I'm actually going to use the same palette for the blush and the highlighter as well because I'm just trying it out for the first time. And yes, if you guys want me to do a review on this, then let me know. I would love to do a review on this palette. So yes, as I told you guys previously that for the blush as well I'm going to go in with the same palette. So I'm going to take a little bit of it on my brush and I will be applying it on the apples of my cheeks. Now what I noticed about this highlighter is that this highlighter is not extreme, it's subtle but very much wearable. But yes, if you are combining it with the blush which is present in this palette, it is actually blinding. You can definitely build it up. For lips I'm going to go in with the first option which is a nude shade, and the one that I'm using is from Stay Quirky and the shade is Bad Girl Wild Lips. So that is the first lip option that I have for you. For the second lip option I have a red lipstick, and this is again from Stay Quirky. So yes, that's it with the makeup. Now I think this makeup look is quite easy to achieve. You can wear it with both Indian as well as with Western outfits, and you can just change your lip color and wear it during the day as well as during the night. So yes, I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And I'm also running a giveaway on my channel, so if you guys want to participate, I'll provide you guys with the link down in the description box. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care and happy Durga Puja to everyone.